I'm Brian Pickowitz with LEA Professional, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do our new Web UI locking feature. So what Web UI locking is it's the ability to lock out certain aspects of the Web UI. So say you have a simple bar and restaurant where you only want to give limited controls via the Web UI to the staff. This is how you would set that up. So first things first, you would, if you have an offline, if you're going to design an offline mode, meaning you don't have amplifiers on the network, you can drag your amplifiers in, do your system design first. I do have an amplifier on the network, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. So I've done that. I've already got all my settings set there, so we're good there. So next, what we're going to do is up in the top right, you're going to click on this little gear icon and go to User Access Control. So from here, just log in as an admin, so select a username and password. And now I have an admin account set up. So what you'll notice in the latest version of SharkWare is you have this Web UI users. So when you click on this, any Web UI user who accesses the amplifier, this is what they can and can't do. So you can select read-write access for everything. Read-write means they can see it and they can make adjustments. Read-only means they can see it but not make adjustments. No access, it's completely locked out. So let's say I have an application where I want to give them channel output gain. I want to give them the ability to mute, and I want to give them the ability to change the source, the input source. So I've got that set up where everything's locked out except those three things. I will click Save here. It's asking me to save the file, so yes, I will save that file. And then now what you'll want to do is you'll want to transition from offline design mode to online design mode. So what this is saying is, do you want to save all of the settings and file configurations and sync it to the amplifier? Once you click Save and Sync, it's going to send all of that Web UI locking down. So that's what I want to do. I want to click Save and Sync. You can see we were successful. And now we should have the Web UI locking enabled. So if I go to my Web UI, you can see now I can make my output adjustments, like I said. I can still mute, and I can change my input source. Everything else is locked out. You can see via that icon. So if I go through anywhere here, everything is locked out with the exception of those. So let's go ahead and undo the locking and put it back to normal. So you'll go back into here, make sure you have your file loaded, go back to User Access Control, click Web UI Users, I'm going to give read-write access to all of them. Let's go ahead and transition back to online mode, save and sync. Okay, now everything is unlocked. So it gives you a quick and easy way to lock out the Web UI for those types of applications where you don't want a dedicated PC running, you just want to leave them the IP address, but you don't want them to be able to control everything. So that's the quick and easy way to do that. One thing to note is all of the amplifiers should be on the latest firmware version, so anything 4040 or higher will support this feature. So that's how you set it up. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us at techsupport@leaprofessional.com.